Hello everyone, just wanted to bring to everybody's attention ticker DKNG, DraftKings. I know most of the folks know about this already. So please make sure you do your own due diligence. These are just my thoughts. So look at the weekly chart here. So now this is, this has pulled back significantly in last couple days here. So, or last week, about 18% correction from its all-time highs. Very strong sponsorship. These are the IBD mutual funds which have a good track record. There are several of them own this stock. Very aggressive broadening sponsorship there. Good relative strength line of relative strength rating of 91. Looking at the left side, so obviously it's not making any money yet. Now it does have a huge float, just something to be mindful of. But its sales is growing, it's accelerating sales growth. So, if the sales continue to grow at a really rapid pace, then earnings will take care of itself. So just wanted to cover some of this information here. Now let's look at the company webpage here. So again, it is all about betting, online sports betting. Now I do not bet. I don't even know how to bet. However, I am investing in this stock. I have a current position on this. That's why I wanted to just cover this and share my thoughts. So again, most of you folks probably know better than I would in regards to that. ARC fans, Kathy Wood, I follow her. Just want to see what she's doing. So she currently started a position in DraftKings. She does have 0.28% of her weight, so it's 84th ranking in her portfolio across all different ARC funds. So if you look at the analyst estimates, just to get some framework here, so the upside is 105. If you look at the earnings, we already know it's going to take a while for earnings to be positive. However, if revenues continue to accelerate, this would obviously, it will bring this quicker than expected or estimated. So as you can see, revenue is going to grow very rapidly over the course of time, and they have been signing contracts with a lot of different sports. Recently they had a app integration contract with Dish Network, so they're really rapidly expanding into different states. And right now, I don't know how many states they are in, to be honest with you, but they are expanding very, very aggressively. Now, along with this, Penn is also a really good stock, which has also done really well. So let's look at the daily chart here. So there's always a price to pay if you want to hold it longer. So I was at this point, this is where I bought the stock, right there. My cost basis is 53.66. So at this point, I was up about 33%. However, I decided to hold this longer. So right now, I'm only up about 10% now. So I gave all this back. And I will continue to hold this for a longer term gain. So my target, just a rough estimate, is $98.35. So, I would say probably around $100. That's my rough target. And I like to draw a line. So what I did is, this is last earnings. So this is basically, I measured, let's look at the daily chart here. So this was the last earnings. And then I measured how high it went between last earnings and this earnings. I drew this blue line, and then I just extrapolated that line just to get to a rough estimate. I'm amazed sometimes how well this works. So that's all I did to come up to my target. However, I will hold this for a longer term. This is a rough estimate for me, just to keep some kind of framework in mind. I may continue to hold it longer than that, but that's what my plans are. I hope you have your own plan. I hope this works out for all of us. If you are going to own this at some point in time, it may give us another opportunity to either add to the position or to buy right very close to 50-day moving average. I may actually add if it pulls back here, or if it consolidates and sets up for another leg up. So that's all I have. I hope everyone's doing well. Take care.